Welcome to tutorial time with Lucy Fire Flow. Today we'll be working on this combination and I'm going to do my best to break it down, but it's definitely one for spinners who have a little bit more experience with fans. Part 1, we're going to start palms facing in and trace that linear line up and down, then out to the side. So, again, we start with palms facing in a W relation, leading with the wicks closest to your thumbs. You're going to trace that line up, imagining there's a line, and you'll end with the pinky wicks together. Do the same thing in reverse all the way down. The next bit can be a bit tricky, but it's basically the same move, we just over-rotate on that purple fan to get the slide going out to the side. Keep the fans on wall plane, keep sliding in the same way, don't flip or change position of the fans. You're just going around a corner instead of in a straight line. Here you're going to hold W relation. As you turn, you drop it down and out to the side, then you reverse the move back to the beginning. So slowly, W relation, hold. When you get to your opposite side, your blue fan will do the over rotation, your purple fan will push down. Same move as the other side, just in reverse. Next we're going to take that purple fan, leading thumb across the body, so from your native side to your non-native side, all the way up to the top. You're going to flip it once, bam, flip it twice, and then your thumb will lead to bring it back down and two fans will meet at the side. This next part is definitely the most tricky part of the combination, and if you keep going and look at the back view at the end of this video, it's going to really help with that movement. Still thumb leading, your blue fan goes up while your purple fan goes down. You'll turn towards the purple fan to face the back. Now when you're at the back you can't see it here, but I'm shifting my hand round and there'll be more of an explanation in the back view for that part. They meet, thumbs leading on the other side, ready for the next move. As you turn to the front, the purple fan goes up, the blue fan goes down, thumb leading. We do a flip with the purple fan twice, similar to before. Thumb leads to bring it all the way down, and we're going to meet in an O relation when we get there. So you'll cross over the blue fan and hug. Palms in, O relation. Flip down, palms open, thumbs down, and then flip up once, back to where you were, and all the way to the top to end in an O relation. And you can add a little spin at the end if you want, but it's not so much part of the combination as just how I ended the flow. So this first move or set of moves is definitely better learned from the front view. Got the isolation up, isolation down along that line, and then isolation around the corner, over rotating that right fan. You hold W relation and you just keep that shape as you turn to the back and drop it down, turn to the side, take it to the side, and turn back to the front as you reverse that motion back to the starting position. Your right fan comes across to the non-native side of your body, thumb leading, does a flip, another flip, and then as it comes back down, only comes out to the side where your left fan will meet. This is that tricky part I talked about before. As your right fan drops down, the one that elbow I've just lifted, your left hand's going to pick up. Don't worry about the left fan, focus on your right, as you're going to rotate your hand all the way around. So it goes from being uncomfortable to being more comfortable. Thumb leads and you meet back on the other side. So let's look at that a little more closely. Here you can see that bottom hand, it's going to let go as you rotate, palm going down, then palm going back up, thumb to the side, so you can continue that move, thumb leading and meet over on the other side of your body. Two fans meet, thumb leading to get there. Finishing off the move, your left hand goes down, your right fan goes up. You'll notice you get to a point where you can't go anymore. With that top hand, you're going to flip once, flip twice, and then continue leading down with your thumb, except this time all the way to the bottom till you hug into an O relation. We flip down once, and then we reverse that up, and then again all the way to the top to finish off the combo.